In this video, you'll learn how to manage appointments in Microsoft Bookings so you can quickly see what's coming up and stay organized. We'll walk through how to use the calendar view, how to switch between different time frames, and how to filter by staff if you're working as part of a team. Let's start from the main place where you'll manage everything, the calendar tab. Once you've opened Microsoft Bookings and selected the correct booking page for your organization or team, look for the calendar option in the left-hand menu. This is your master view where all your appointments live. Think of it as the control center for your schedule. When the calendar opens, you'll see appointments displayed over a timeline. At the top, you'll notice options to switch between day, week, and month views. These views are really useful depending on the kind of planning you need to do. If you choose the day view, you'll see a detailed breakdown of a single day, usually in hourly or half-hourly blocks. This is ideal when you want to focus closely on what's happening today or on a specific date. For example, when you're trying to fit in a last-minute appointment or check exactly when a particular customer is coming in. The week view gives you a broader picture of the entire week. This is great for planning ahead, spotting busy days, and balancing your workload. If certain services take longer or you know some days are more popular, the week view helps you quickly see where you have gaps and where you might be overbooked. The month view steps back even further and shows your appointments across the whole month. Use this when you want to understand overall trends, such as peak periods, or when you're planning holidays, staff rotations, or special events. It's less detailed, but it's perfect for long-range planning and making sure you don't accidentally overload certain weeks. You can switch between these views at any time. If you're checking a specific appointment, you might start in month view to find the date, then click into day or week view for more detail. Getting comfortable moving between these views will make managing your schedule much faster. Now, if you're part of a team, the staff filter becomes especially important. At the top of the calendar, look for the staff drop-down. This lets you decide whose appointments you're seeing. If you want to focus only on your own schedule, select just your name from the list. This is useful when you're planning your day, confirming your availability, or checking what you personally have coming up. If you need to coordinate across the team, you can choose multiple staff members or select everyone. When you do this, the calendar will show each person's availability side by side. This side-by-side view is really powerful for scheduling group services, assigning appointments fairly, or finding a time when more than one person is free. For example, if a customer needs two different specialists in the same visit, seeing everyone's calendars together makes it much easier to find a suitable time. As you use these filters, remember that you're never changing or deleting any appointments by switching views. You're just changing how they're displayed. You can always adjust the view or the staff filter to get exactly the perspective you need. By using the calendar tab as your master view, switching between day, week, and month, and taking advantage of the staff filter, you'll be able to manage appointments in Microsoft Bookings more confidently and efficiently.